Absorb. This material absorbs water very quickly. Abuse. Some people abuse their power for personal gain. Admission. Students must show their ID and admission ticket. Afford. He cannot afford to buy such an expensive car. Anxiety. His anxiety increased before the important exam. Apparent. It is apparent that she is very talented. Army. The army protected the city during the war. Astronomy. Astronomy helps scientists understand stars and planets. Bake. They baked a cake together. Bean. These beans contain a lot of healthy protein. Billion. The company earned billions of dollars last year. Blaine. He blamed his sister for the mess. Blind. He is blind in one eye. Boss. My boss encourages employees to work hard. Calculate. She calculated the total cost of the trip. Candle. She lit a candle to make the room warmer. Carve. She carved the roast beef at the table. Commit. The company committed to improving service quality. Committee. The committee discussed the new proposal. Compose. The musician composed a beautiful song. Consult. You should consult a doctor if the pain continues. Contract. They signed a contract with the company. Convert. The company converted the old house into an office. Crew. The flight crew prepared the plane for takeoff. Chat. They chatted online for hours last night. Chemistry. Chemistry explains how different substances react together. Debt. He owes a debt to the bank. Decrease. We need to decrease the cost of production. Despite. Despite the heavy rain, they continued their journey. Devote. She devotes a lot of time to helping children. Dig. They dug a hole to plant the tree. Dine. They dine together at a small restaurant. Dinosaur. Dinosaurs lived on Earth millions of years ago. Donate. Many people donated money to a relief fund. Dormatory. She lived in a dormitory during her first year. Double. The price became double after the holiday. Elevate. Music can elevate people's mood. Emergency. This is an emergency. Please call the police. Exhaust. The long journey exhausted everyone in the group. Exhibit. The museum exhibit attracts many young visitors. Fame. He achieved fame after winning the competition. Fault. It was her fault that the plan failed. Flavor. This soup has a rich and delicious flavor. Forecast. The weather forecast predicts heavy rain tomorrow. Fortune. Good fortune came to him unexpectedly. Foundation. The foundation supports medical research. Fund. The fund was created to support poor students. Generation. The younger generation uses technology daily. Generous. She is generous and always helps people in need. Genius. Everyone believes she is a genius in mathematics. Gentle. The nurse spoke to the child in a gentle voice. Geography. Geography teaches students about countries and climates. Greenhouse. Plants grow faster inside the greenhouse. Guarantee. The company guarantees high-quality products. Handle. The door has a metal handle. Hike. They hiked through the mountains for 2 days. Ignore. He ignored the warning and continued driving. Initial. The initial plan failed due to lack of money. Insist. They insisted that we stay for dinner. Intense. She felt intense pain after the accident. Interfere. Parents should not interfere too much in their children's lives. Ingredient. Fresh ingredients make the food taste better. Layer. A thick layer of snow covered the road. Lend. He lent his friend some money yesterday. Lightly. He knocked lightly on the door before entering. Mess. The house became a mess after the party. Metal. Gold and silver are precious metals. Monitor. Parents should monitor their children's online activities. Mud. His shoes were covered in mud after the rain. Obvious. It was obvious that she was very nervous. Oppose. Many people oppose the new government policy. Passive. He remained passive during the heated discussion. Peak. They finally reached the peak of the mountain. Portion. A small portion of the meal was left on the plate. Potential. They are potential customers. Pride. She felt great pride in her achievements. Principal. The principal gave a speech at the school meeting. Proof. The police asked him to show proof of identity. Physics. She is good at physics, but weak in chemistry. Quantity. The factory produces a large quantity of goods. Quit. He decided to quit smoking for his health. Remind. Please, remind me to call her tomorrow. Row. The students sat quietly in a straight row. Secretary. The secretary answered all the phone calls. Severe. The storm caused severe damage to houses. Shelf. She placed the books neatly on the shelf. Smooth. The table has a smooth surface. Soil. Fertile soil helps crops grow well. Spin. The earth spins on its axis. Spite. He refused to help her out of pure spite. Sue. He is suing the hospital for negligence. Super. That's super news. Talent. She has a natural talent for music. Tiny. She found a tiny insect on the leaf. Tutor. His parents hired a tutor to help him study English. Thesis. He is writing his thesis for graduation. Uniform. Students must wear a uniform at school. Unique. Everyone has a unique personality. Vision. Her vision improved after the surgery. Wet. My clothes were wet after walking in the rain.